I'm here with my Urbinz Egg Boiler and I'm making some steamed chicken today. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I have a cat who's having some tummy troubles right now. He's having some digestive issues. And one of the things that I do if I have a cat with that problem and I need to settle their stomach is just to feed them some plain boiled chicken. And that's why I'm going to make some steamed chicken in this egg boiler today. So I have half of a chicken breast in this bowl, and I'm going to add some water. And I'm going to put the cover on. And let's turn it on. I'll be back in around 15 minutes when the light turns off and all of the water is evaporated. It's been less than 10 minutes and this appliance just shut itself off. So I don't know if it's not enough water in there or what. So let's open this up. And that's what's going on inside. The inside temperature is about 139. I'm adding more water. And let's put the cover back on. The light just came back on, so I'm going to let it cook through this water and then it should be done. It is now 15 minutes later. The light went off. I don't know when it went off. But here's the chicken. You can see there's a lot of liquid surrounding the breast. And the internal temperature is much higher than what it was. It's at 194. That's well above what we need at 165 for chicken to be cooked. Here's the steamed chicken. I just shredded it up. And then I took the chicken liquid that was in the bowl and I added it back into the chicken. So I'm just waiting for this to cool off a little bit before I feed it to the cat that's having digestive issues right now. Boo is the taste tester today, and just like that he ate 2 pieces of the chicken. He's not the one with the upset stomach, but he approves. Right, Boo? Simba's the boy with the tummy trouble. He's enjoying the chicken also.